Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add music to shorts on PC. So first of all, just open up the YouTube Studio. So I have uploaded some shorts here and I want to add music to these particular shorts. So I'm just going to select the first one and you want to click on this pencil icon that says details. Once you do that, it's going to open up your YouTube shorts and then you want to click here on the left hand side where it says editor. Click on to editor and then this is, you can see, this is my YouTube short. It's got the soundtrack and it's got the video track. To add music into this YouTube short, you can see here it says audio. Click onto this plus where it says add audio and now you can select any music track from the YouTube audio library. So for any example, I'm just going to select this one right here at the top and then click on to add, and as you can see it added into the video. So now that's just quickly rendering that video real quick. If I play this, if you play this now, you will hear the music from it, but you will see that the music actually overtakes the voice in the actual video. So that's the only downside about this method, is that it works great for YouTube shorts that don't have any spoken words in them. So that's the only downside. If you want to add the music plus have the words that you are saying in the video, then you will need to use a software like CapCut PC, where you can import your footage and then you can add a soundtrack below the footage, and then you will have your words that you say in your video, your audio, as well as music. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.